Hi you guys and welcome back to my channel My Pastel Love. How you guys doing? In today's video I'm going to show you a aesthetic makeup look which is so easy, skin like, very easy to do. It has got no foundation and I love this peachy orangey vibe. So grab some water, hydrate yourself, and let's go and see how I achieve this skin like finish glossy peach makeup look. So I'm going to start off with a concealer. This is the Colourpop Hydrating Concealer. This is an absolutely stunning product, you guys. I'm just going to apply a little bit under my eyes and wherever I just want to conceal and hide some imperfections and dark circles. Now you will see that this concealer has a yellow undertone and it's absolutely hydrating, blends like a dream. It's super easy to blend, and after I blend it, you will see how it has just submerged into my skin. It has a very skin like finish. It has that yellow undertone and it is enough for my skin like finish. Like, I don't need a foundation after this, and I just absolutely love this concealer and I only wear this concealer, you guys. Now moving on to the eyes, I'm going to use the Too Faced Just Peachy palette. This palette looks so stunning. Look at the packaging, you guys. It has got all matte peachy corally shades and I love this palette. Now for this particular makeup look, using this palette is absolutely necessity, in the sense like you need a corally orangey vibe going on, because that's the peachy makeup look I'm going for. So just peachy palette, so I'm just going to grab those two shades right out there and going to take a fluffy brush and put it all over my lids, like not thinking much, just going to grab a peachy shade and put it all over my lids and blend, and that is about it. Next, I'm going to do the same thing into the other eye and also my lower lash line. So anything that has got a peach undertone or an orangey corally vibe, you just got to grab that transition shade and go for it. Next, I'm going to take a deeper brown shade and I'm going to concentrate this on the outer corner only, just very close to the lash line and outer corner, and also the lower lash line outer corner. I hope you're understanding what I'm going for. So just adding that brown shade added so much of dimension to my eyes and it gave a very nice smoky effect. Next, I'm going to take a eyeliner. You can take any eyeliner. I'm taking one from Nykaa and I'm just going to draw a wing. Now drawing a wing on camera is a hectic task, but you get it. You guys all know how to do eyeliner, so do it according to your eye shape and your liking. I'm just going for a basic wing. Next, I'm going to grab the iconic London Iconic mascara. I absolutely love this mascara. It has got a very lengthening effect, and if you want, you can curl your lashes. I didn't, because just on the go for this mascara. It will give you a beautiful effect, putting some on the lower lash line as well. Next, for brows, I'm going to use the Benefit Cup Brow. This is my OG. I only use this, and this is such a beautiful brow pomade. It's absolutely stunning. I'm in the shade 06. I'm not very specific with my brows. I just fill it. I keep it bushy and I don't do much. You just do according to your liking. But the brows is very important, and I just fill it and get that bushy effect. That's it. Just you can see how beautiful just the look is coming together. Now we are going to move on to the cheeks and go for my favorite blush of all times. Is the Pixi On The Glow blush. Now this is a beautiful orangey corally blush. If you haven't tried the Pixi blush, you must. It gives a very beautiful dewy skin like look. You can build it up or you can just go for a easy peasy sunburn look. It's very easy to blend. I like to blend it with my finger and it gives a beautiful natural finish, you can see. And you don't even have to wear highlighter with this, you guys. It's so stunning. Now this orangey color looks especially beautiful on my brown skin, and it just gives me that beautiful sun kiss sun glow effect. I keep adding it on, but still it just looks natural. And look at the skin, you guys, so stunning. You don't even need a highlighter with this blush, and just go for any blush you like, but just try this one out. I highly recommend this one. Next, I'm going to use the K Beauty Loose Powder. This is in the shade Latte, and I'm just going to set everything. This is such a finely milled loose powder. It does not cake up, it does not look heavy. I'm a dry skin type, so powders are not my best friend, but this powder just works for me. Next, I added the Rare Beauty highlighter in the shade Mesmerize. Not like I needed to, but this is such a beautiful product, you guys. I'm obsessed with it. The blush was anyway giving me a lot of highlight, but I couldn't resist. This is my favorite product of all time. I'll show you guys in my favorites. But look at the liquid highlighter, you guys. It just adds that extra oomph to the look, and it just extra glossy. And if you like to do this, just do it. If not, you can just go for the Pixi glow blush. That will also do, but I just like to add that extra skin like glossy, juicy, wet look effect. Would highly recommend you guys try this one out from Rare Beauty. Next, for lipstick, I'm going to take two lipsticks. One is from Kiro, one is from Sugar. Both are peach colors, and I'm just going to combine both to give me that beautiful peachy orangey color that does not wash my brown skin out. So first I'll go for the coral shade from the Kiro, and this is a beautiful orangey coral, as you can see. And I'm in the middle, I'm just going to add a little bit of the just peaches shade from Sugar, and both of them blended together gives me the perfect peachy coral without washing me out, and that completes my look. Now this turned out to be so stunning, you guys. This is my go-to favorite look. I feel like peaches and oranges complements my skin type more than like pinks or anything cool tone. This is such a warm, glossy, natural yet glam type of look. Try it out and let me know what you guys think. Does it suit you? Does it not? Does it look good on me? Like, just hit up in the comment section, and I'll see you guys next time. Till then, take care. Bye bye.